Hi there. I get asked a lot here at the Niche Man about niches being installed on external walls. That means that the back of the niche is exposed to the cavity of an external wall, so dampness can get to the back of the niche. The material that the niches are made out of is a high density polyurethane panel, which is 100% waterproof. So it doesn't matter where the niche is going to go. Even in your outdoor area, if you have an outdoor shower, you can still put a niche in as is with maybe just painting it. You don't even really have to tile it. Tiling is only a decorative cover over the niche itself. The niche itself will not deteriorate at all. So you can use it outdoors, in wet areas, anywhere where you'd like to. And even on an external wall in your shower, not a problem at all. Thanks for watching.